the supermarket. There are so many things to see.
Me too. And we can choose what to eat. What do you need to buy?
My mom gave me a list. First, let's go to the bread section. I love fresh bread for breakfast.
Oh yes, I usually eat toast with jam in the morning. What do you eat for breakfast?
I like croissants with hot chocolate, but on weekends, we make pancakes.
Pancakes are delicious.
Look at all the colorful fruit. I'm looking for apples, oranges, and maybe some bananas.
Do you want red apples or green apples?
I'll get red apples.
How many do you need?
I'll take 5 red apples.
What about vegetables?
I need potatoes, carrots, eggplants, and courgettes.
Here is a bunch of potatoes.
How many are in a bunch?
About 10.
Sounds good. I'll take a bunch. Now, I'm looking for some milk.
What kind do you need? Whole milk or maybe almond or soy milk?
I'll take 2 cartons of whole milk.
Is there anything else you need from the dairy section?
No, that's it. We'll move on to meat and fish section.
Now we're in the meat and fish section. Do you like meat?
Yes, I love chicken, especially grilled chicken with potatoes.
Me too, but my mom is vegetarian, so I don't eat meat often.
My sister is vegetarian too.
What about fish?
I'll take 5 slices of salmon and a bag of shrimp.
Do you need something else?
I need a dozen eggs, a small bag of flour, and a bottle of oil.
Let's go.
I think that's everything for now. I'll head to the checkout.
Ready to check out?
Yes, I am. How much is it?
Your total is £42.38.
I'll pay in cash.
Here are your bags. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.